Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the Slack API not in channel error. This error usually happens when your bot is trying to send a message to a channel it has not joined yet. First, open the Slack channel where you want to send the message. Let's say I want to send a message in this particular channel. In the message box, start by typing /invite at followed by your app name. In my case, it is going to be this particular app, then click on send. As you can see, my app has already been added to the channel. If you are using the Slack API, go to api.slack.com and click on your app name. From here, go to OAuth and permissions and scroll down. Make sure your OAuth token starts with xoxb and belongs to the correct workspace. After that, check that your app has the required scopes. Scroll down to the scope section and verify that your app has chat, write, and read permissions enabled. Now try sending the message again after confirming the bot is inside the channel. If the issue still happens, remove the bot from the channel and invite it again to refresh access. The simple rule is if the bot is not in the channel, you will get this error, and once it is invited, everything should work normally. And that's it. We just learned how to fix the Slack not in channel error by inviting the bot to the channel, checking permissions, and using the correct workspace token. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.